some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined